Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome again to activity class. So today in this activity I will demonstrate the reaction of metal with acid. I have taken metal like zinc and the acid is hydrochloric acid, concentrated hydrochloric acid. And another thing also you will do the same experiment, that is test for hydrogen gas in laboratory. How can you test the hydrogen gas in laboratory? For this experiment, the things are required are zinc granules. You can see the zinc granules. I have kept it here. Concentrated HCl, test tube holder, test tube stand, cork, which will be kept the tip of the test tube, burning stick. So for that I have used the matchstick and the incense stick. Okay, so let's do the experiment. Before doing this experiment, it should be taken in mind that this is a reaction with acid, and because of that, you know that concentrated acid is very dangerous. It is corrosive. It will corrode your skin. So very carefully this experiment should be done, and while doing this experiment you should remember that the acid should not be get contact with your skin. Okay, so first of all what you have to take, you have to take some HCl, hydrochloric acid, around 2 to 3 ml in a test tube, and then put the test tube in a test tube holder. So after that you can see this zinc granule. So you have to put the zinc granules inside the test tube, and you can see it is very much, this gas is going out, and this gas, we can tell that this gas is actually hydrogen gas. So how can you know? Because hydrogen gas is colorless and odorless gas, and to test the hydrogen gas in laboratory, what you have to take? You have to take a burning matchstick or burning stick to the near the mouth of the test tube containing hydrogen gas. You can see now you can see the sound, a pop sound will be there when I have taken the burning stick near the mouth of the test tube, and the fire extinguished with a pop sound. So this is the test for hydrogen gas, because hydrogen gas is colorless and odorless gas. So that is why you cannot find out whether which gas is evolved in this reaction, and to test this you have to take a burning matchstick near to the mouth of the test tube, and if it is burns with a pop sound, then it is hydrogen gas. It indicates hydrogen gas. So the reactions which are involved in this activity, the first one, the zinc granule Zn, when react with HCl, it gives, you know, the metal when react with acid, it gives rise to salt plus water, and here the salt will be zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas, and this zinc chloride will be in dissolved form. So we have to balance it, so it will be 2 HCl. So Zn plus 2 HCl gives rise to ZnCl2, which is a salt, and it is called zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. So thing is that this hydrogen gas is evolved during this reaction, and to test which gas is formed, I have done this experiment with a burning matchstick. And you know, if the gas burns with a pop sound, it confirms that it is hydrogen gas. So this is the characteristic of hydrogen gas. Then question comes, why it gives the pop sound? So to know this, let's take another reaction actually. You know that hydrogen gas is a combustible substance. It can burn itself. So what happens when hydrogen gas burns with oxygen? It forms, but it will not burn with oxygen naturally. We have to take the fire, or you have to give the fire any burning stick or any fire near to the hydrogen gas, then only it will react with oxygen, forming H2O, water, and also with a pop sound, means a explosion. So that pop sound actually the reaction of between the hydrogen and oxygen forming the water with a very vigorously they react with each other. That's why the pop sound is produced. So that is why the hydrogen burns with a pop sound, and this is the characteristic. So from this activity or from this experiment, what we have learned: first, any metal when react with acid, normally they form salt and hydrogen gas. Like here we have taken the zinc metal, react with hydrogen to form zinc chloride, which is a salt, plus hydrogen gas. And to test the hydrogen, how can you test the hydrogen in laboratory? To test the hydrogen gas, what we have to take? We have to take a burning matchstick to the near of the mouth of the test tube containing hydrogen gas, and if the gas burns with a pop sound or little explosion, then it confirms that it is hydrogen gas, and this is the test for hydrogen gas in laboratory. I hope you like this video, you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.